Kyle Bradshaw from Chaparral Motorsports here with the Icon Airflite in the Inky graphic. Today I'm going to show you the installation of the optional and replacement peak visor. So removing the shield off of an Icon helmet is really simple. We're simply going to pop these two side plates off, open the helmet all the way up, and the shield basically is that simple to get off. Now what we're going to do is we're going to line this visor up here onto those same holes on both sides, and then pull it down. And then take our two side plates, snap them into place. That's now going to give your Icon Airflite helmet that dirt bike look. So this is what that peak visor looks like on the Icon Inky helmet graphic. This visor comes in a white, it comes in a black, and it comes in a matte finish, I believe. So if you're looking to do this type of setup on your Airflite helmet, that is how simple that swap is to make. Now we're going to do a follow-up video to this one showing you all of the top goggles. Probably take the helmet down into the goggle department, and we're going to show you how all of the top goggles fit into this Icon Airflite helmet. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care and ride safe.